Infectious disease expert doesn't believe Ebola will come to Middle Georgia.
41 NBC's Alexa Rodriguez joins us now with more on the lecture he gave to students at Fort Valley State University.
Dr. Earl Long worked in Africa for 2 years to improve health services. During that time, he saw how unfit the hospitals and labs were to treat patients. He also shared his opinions on the Ebola virus.
It answered some of my questions.
Fort Valley State University students feel they benefited from Dr. Earl Long's Ebola lecture.
It also validated my reasoning for not being overly concerned about Ebola.
Dr. Long worked to improve the basic lab services in South Africa from 2008 to 2010.
When I was there, the principal area of concern was in malaria. But while I was there, then we had this outbreak of Ebola.
Dr. Long shared photos of the hospitals and labs he worked in during his time in Africa.
No health facilities were prepared for that, this onslaught of the sick.
He believes the facilities in the United States are much better equipped to handle an Ebola patient. After his lecture, students were able to ask questions about the virus. One student wanted to know if Ebola would make its way to Middle Georgia.
I don't see how it can.
Dr. Long believes as long as people know the facts, they'll be fine.
Ebola is not walking around looking to attack people. Ebola is not the only infectious disease that there is.
But he does have some advice for the people who are still nervous.
Do the ordinary things like keep your hands, like washing your hands after you get out of the bathroom.
He wants to remind everyone that Ebola can only be spread through contact with an infected person's bodily fluids. Dr. Long says during his time in South Africa, he only used a small bottle of hand sanitizer. But because he knew the facts about Ebola and malaria, he didn't touch anyone or try and treat patients. He says he was still able to perform his job effectively without catching one of the diseases.
What's your take on the Ebola virus? Do you have any questions or concerns? You can visit our Facebook page. That's facebook.com/41NBC for more on this issue.